If you want to learn how to get started with the Microsoft Learn platform and how to organize your learning material within the Microsoft Learn, then you are at the right place. I am Chinwe Onyebweke and this is my learning platform. In today's video, I will guide you through the simple steps to create your Microsoft Learn account. In addition to this, I will guide you on how you can organize your learning models. But before we get started, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to get an update on any Microsoft related topic. So let's dive into it. To get started, open your web browser and go to Microsoft Learn website. You can type Microsoft Learn and then select training/Microsoft. And once you are in the Microsoft Learn homepage, click on sign in button located at the upper right hand corner of the page. And here you have different options to sign in. If you already have Microsoft account, you can use that. If not, you can create a new one. For this tutorial, we'll focus on creating a new Microsoft account. So click on no account, create one. Here there are different options for you to create this account. You can either have at hotmail.com or at outlook.com, but I prefer hotmail.com, and you select any username of your choice. You also have an option to use your phone number if you want to use your phone number, or you use your email address instead. So here I will go ahead by creating this account, Chinwe Onyebweke 257 at hotmail.com, and click on the next button. This page requires you to create a strong and secure password for your account. Microsoft have some guidelines for creating a strong password, so make sure you follow them and click on the next button. This page says please solve the puzzle, so we know you are not a robot. Go ahead and click the next button. The puzzle requires you to use this arrow to rotate the animal with the same icon to face where the hand is pointing. When you are done positioning the animal, you can click on the next button. Go ahead and do the same for all the puzzle. After you've completed the puzzle, go ahead and fill in your date of birth and select your country of origin. Select here your date of birth, your country of origin, and click on the next button. So here you go ahead and confirm your age and click on the next button. This page basically says that you should confirm if you already have the Microsoft account. If you've not have, you can go ahead and click next button. Here you type in your correct display name for the Microsoft Learn profile and click on the next button. So if you want to stay updated with Microsoft news, you can go ahead and confirm your email. If not, you can skip. For this tutorial, I'm going to skip this update. This page requires you to select the role you are interested in. There are different pathways in the Microsoft Learn, so you have to specify the role you are interested in. It's either you're a data scientist, an administrator, an app maker. Depending on your role, go ahead and select your role. For this tutorial, I will be selecting the administrator and head over to the next button. You select the level of your interest. So if you're a beginner, you can select the beginner. If you're an intermediate or advanced level, for this tutorial I will select the beginner level and click on the next button. So here requires you to select the product you are interested in. Which of the Microsoft platform are you interested in, whether in the Azure, in the Dynamics 365, whichever role. But for this tutorial I'll be selecting the Azure role. Here it says you are all set. Congratulations, you've successfully created your profile. You can go ahead and view your profile or click on OK. So guys, after you've created your Microsoft Learn account, what next? You can stay organized in this platform for your training by clicking on this icon by the top right hand corner and select my profile. And the profile gives you overview of your activities within this learning platform. So you have your training, your challenges you've undergone, some certification which you've registered. But the most interesting part is this collection, because this helps you to stay organized within your learning platform. You can go ahead and select the collections, and in the collection I will start by creating a new collection called AC900 and click on create. Now, since I've created this collection, I will head over to certification to select material for this AC900. Click on certifications. Because I'm selecting for the 8900, and 8900 is the administrator part. You can select any certification of your choice. Then I click on administrator. To select your certification, you can easily filter it out by different category. Like the product is Azure, and the role is an administrator, which you've selected earlier, and the level is the beginner level, which is the fundamental. And here we have the 8900. You can select the 8900. Once you've selected the certification of your choice, you can go over to the learning material. So for the 8900, the learning material is Microsoft Azure Fundamental, describe cloud concepts. And to save this to my collection, I click on save. Then this is a list of collection. We have your favorite, the 8900 I've selected. I can select the 8900 and click on save. So this is added to my collection in my learning part. The next is the describe Azure architecture and service. You can also add this to the collection we've created. Now we've added the three models to the collection. The next step is to head over to your profile. And when you are in my profile, you can click on collections. So this is the 8900 we've created earlier, and when you select on this collection, you've added all these materials to your collection. This is a very fantastic way to organize your learning material.
And guys, that is it for today's tutorial on how you can create your Microsoft Learn account and organize your learning modules within the platform. I hope you find this guide helpful. If you have any question or need further assistance, please feel free to leave a comment below. And most importantly, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and happy learning with Microsoft Learn. Bye.